Hello everyone, this is a 2016 Ford Mustang EcoBoost. Car came in for a whistling noise, and the problem was the motor mounts. That's the motor mount. This one is on the right side, but the noise was coming on the left motor mount. This is the motor mount. There's a vacuum. A hose gets connected to the motor mount and it works with a vacuum. So the sound was coming from around here, right over here. So we changed it. We changed both sides, left and right, and the car runs beautiful. No more noise. It's all fixed. You get a car like that with a whistling noise, I would recommend checking the motor mounts first and then go from there. Thank you for watching.